Hi, Joanna. So today we're going to work on your IEP goals. So the goal number 1 is the English language, art, and reading. So today we're going to work on your adverbs, which are away, up, sometimes, late, never, always, early, quietly, yesterday, daily, swiftly, very, inside, and outside. You'll use these words to complete sentences. So let's begin. Adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and another adverb. Adverbs tell when, where, how, and how often. And here in the bottom are some examples of some adverbs. Many adverbs end in ly. Adverbs can come before or after a verb. Okay, again. Many adverbs end in ly. Adverbs can come before or after a verb. So here are some examples. She quickly walked to the store. So the adverb is this one, quickly. So it comes before the verb. The next one is she walked to the store quickly. Our adverb is quickly, and as we can see, it's right here. And this one, the verb comes before the adverb here. Adverbs describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverb tells us how often, when, and where. How, and these are the examples of adverbs. How often, and these are some examples. When, and the examples. And where, and the examples. Now, let me give you a sentence and let's figure out what is the adverb. Diego ran across the field quickly. So how did Diego run? Quickly. So quickly is your adverb because it doesn't say how often and it doesn't say when or where he was going. This is for Mr. Lara. If you have any comments that you want to let us know about, you can go ahead and comment here in this section and take a picture and send it to us and we can respond. Use the following adverbs: away, up, sometimes, late, never, always, early, quietly, yesterday, daily, swiftly, very, inside, and outside to complete the sentence. So you're going to rewrite the sentence using the appropriate adverb. And this is the first example right here. So she quickly walked to the store. Now you're going to rewrite it using the same adverb but in a different place. Like now you're going to put the verb before the adverb. So she walked to the store quickly. You see how the adverb is after the verb? And on the first one, she quickly walked to the store. Here the adverb is first and then the verb. So go ahead and do 1 through 5. And then once you're done, you can take a picture, either upload it to Teams or send it to me and I will upload it for you. Now let's go to our next lesson, Joanne. Okay, this is goal number 2 and we're still with English language, arts, and reading. And here you're gonna read a sentence in the next and change the irregular action verb and change it to the sentence how it should be written. Okay, so you're going to fill in the blank with the correct tense form of the irregular verb. So Beverly was stung by a bee. or Beverly was stung by the wasp. So you're going to change the verb right here to what it's supposed to be. Okay? So let's try number 2. Some of the leaves have already fallen off the tree, or some of the leaves have already fallen off the tree. Okay? So you can do 3 to 15. And remember, these are the words that you're going to change. All of these. So go ahead and also, when you're done, you can upload it to Teams or take a picture and send it to me. Thank you, Joanna. If you have any questions, call me and I'll be glad to help you.